Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about turning recurring decimals into fractions. As we talked before, recurring decimals that have a number which is not recurring, you have to fix them and then turn them into recurring decimals. Now, as we said in another question, we're going to look at the numbers after the decimal point which are not recurring. If we have one number, we're going to multiply the whole number by 10. And if we have two numbers like these, we're going to multiply the whole number by 100. So the basic idea is getting rid of these numbers and putting them before the decimal point. When we multiply this by 10, the answer will be, very good, 1.3 with a recurring point here. And then we're going to work with this number. Now, let me put a line here so we know the answers are like this. Okay. Now, what do I do? Let me put a line first. Yes, let's put it here. Good. Now, what do we do? As we said, we multiply by 10 because we have one number after the decimal point, which is not recurring. Now, what I do is I multiply this by 9 here. And then I open a fraction like this. Because 9 times 10 is 90. Good. I put 90 here. And then, same idea, I'm going to take the 13, the number before the decimal point, after the decimal point, minus the one before it. So, I minus them. So, 13 minus 1 equals, very good, 12. So, the answer will be 12 over 90. And these are the steps of finding a fraction of a recurring decimal like this. Now let's take a look at question B. In question B, as we said, we have two numbers. That's why we multiply by 100. Same idea, we're going to multiply by 100 and the answer will be 57.3 with a recurring point like this. Now, same idea, I'm going to multiply the 100 by 9 to give me the answer of the denominator. I'm going to open a fraction like this. Underneath the fraction or in the denominator, I'm going to put 900. Good. 900. And then I'm going to take the first number, which is after the decimal point, and subtract 57, which is before the decimal point, from it. And I will get the answer for this one, or this part. Now, 573 minus 57. We can use the calculator and check, and then come back. So 573 minus 57. And the answer will be 516. Now, let's go back. So the answer is 516. And this is how you answer a question like this. I hope you understood the steps of turning a recurring decimal into a fraction. And this is the easiest way to do these fractions or to do these recurring decimals. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.